Hello guys, laro muna tayo guys. So yun guys, maglalaro muna tayo ML guys habang naghihintay tayo dito sa gilid-gilid. Ayan. Room naman tayo guys, no room.
Please ban a hero.
Banin muna tayo guys.
Your team is banned. Your team is picking.
So room tayo guys. Room lagi tayong room guys. No, bakit nakaganon? Nakasit tayo bilang room. Okay, gamitin natin.
Ready? The enemy is picking.
Try natin mag-pranko guys. Pranko tayo.
Play the hero. I will be the truth this world desperately needs.
Pranko tayo guys. Pranko.
The smell of gunpowder.
Ba't bakit wala tayong ano guys? Wala tayong skin. Wala pala yung skin
Lords
nito.
remain. Should panics fall.
No one can escape my sights.
Okay na yan guys. Pwede na yan.
It is better to be feared than loved.
I'm bored with
Bigyan mo
this
lang sa
madness.
everyone. Ayan. Guys, yung paglalaro ng ML guys, dapat enjoy lang natin, no? So, ayun, ginagawa natin itong video na to para tularan ng iba dyan. Ang paglalaro, dapat, i-enjoy lang natin. Huwag natin seryosohin kasi pag masyadong seryoso sa paglalaro, ano yun? Yung parang, naiinis ang kalabasan, no? Pag natalo ka, naiinis ka, mga ganyan. So, dapat enjoy mo lang yung laro para masaya, no? Enjoy lang ang laro. Matalo manalo, so enjoy lang. Ganun lang maglaro. Ayan, so guys, pangko tayo guys, tank tayo, naka-room tayo, no? So yun na guys, so galingan natin guys para manalo. Rank game to guys, so sana manalo tayo para maka-start tayo, no? Rank up, no? Wag naman rank down. Hindi tayo maka-akit-akit guys, lagi bumababa lagi yung rank natin, no? Tapos mabutan tayo ng season, bagsak na naman. So bihira pa naman tayo naglalaro, so dalas-dalasan natin maglaro guys. So yun, maglaro tayo. Ayun na guys, pag-uumpisa na. Tingnan natin marunong ba tayo mag-pranko guys. Tingnan natin guys sa pranko kung magaling tayo mag-pranko. Ayan. Ito. Rapid shoes tayo guys. Dito na tayo kagad guys sa MM. Sama na natin kagad yung MM natin guys. Para dapat ma-post na namin kagad to para maganda. So yun guys. Sila ilang kasama natin guys.
Gunpowder never runs.
Layla, saan ka na? Oh, tik, eta. Naman natin si ano guys. Sino ba to? Si hindi naman to si Wanwan. Sino bang pangalan na ito? Kalimutan ang pangalan nito guys. Ang layo ng angkla ko guys. Hindi to pwede magsiman guys. Ano ba naman ito sila ilan na ito? Paano yung natupag eh? Ay, muntik na! Kaya siya matamaan.
You got a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
Muntik si Layla. Kung saan bumupunta, dito lang tayo Layla.
Request backup.
I'ma teach you some rules, cubs.
Mamadali ka naman, Core. Tara, Core. Doon tayo sa taas. Core.
Request backup.
Real fighter never runs.
Patay mo! Di pa naman tamaan yun. Lumilipad-lipad kasi. Magulang.
Has slain
Ay,
the
sus,
turtle.
patay na yung turtle. Ano ba, nililibang lang tayo guys ha.
Shot! Kill!
Nakabigat pa yun.
Request backup.
Kasar. Hindi nakakuha yung pagong guys. Ano ba yan?
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Real fire never runs!
Initiate backup.
Sayang, patay na sana yun.
An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Ba't mo iniwan yung lane mo, Layla? Ano ba naman to si Layla iniiwan eh?
Time to teach
Hey
you
mo!
guys a lesson!
Ano ba naman to? Patay tayong dalawa niyan. Ay, nako.
Request backup.
Gotta teach you some rules! Sure!
Saan si Layla?
Request backup.
Si Layla na to.
Time to teach you guys a lesson!
Have been slain.
Patay ako! Ano ba yan? Patay tayo guys. Hindi tayo marunong guys. Hindi tayo marunong. GG tayo. GG daw, GG.
Initiate retreat. Attack. Initiate retreat.
Ano ba yung core na yan? Hindi naman ninaano yung pagong. Samahan nga natin yung core guys.
One shot, one kill!
Barili mo. Yan, ang tagal mo magbarel.
Request backup. Gather up the turtle.
Gotta teach you some rules!
Initiate retreat.
Dito. Ano ba yan?
Request backup. Enemy has slain the turtle. Initiate retreat.
Gotta teach you some rules!
Sus Maria. Natalo tayo niya.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Galingan nyo guys.
Real fighter never runs!
Shut down. Request backup. Push first. Okay.
One shot, one kill!
Request backup.
Yeah! Ha! Just have to teach you guys a lesson!
Destroyed a turret. Ally has been. An enemy has
Puto, tatakas ka pa. Tatakas ka pa talaga.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs!
Hindi tayo makatama guys.
initiate retreat. Request backup. Okay.
No, wala na.
Request backup. Understood.
Real fighter never runs!
Ano ba yan? Patay tayo guys.
Our turret is under attack. Enemy has been slain. Request
Talo tayo na ito
Our
guys.
turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Time to teach you
Naku, wala talaga guys.
Initiate retreat.
Ano bang core dito guys?
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Tatalo na tayo guys.
Real fighter never
Our
runs.
turret is under
Yan,
attack.
sige lang guys. At least mag-i-enjoy tayo sa paglalaro guys. Yung TCG.
Gravitate just a
Kuha isa. Oh. Oh, diba? Kuha isa. Alis, alis! Ah, matik na ako nun! Wag! Buhay pa tayo. Buti, buhay pa tayo. Buhay pa. Buhay pa tayo guys.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Buhay pa. Tayo, push na, push na.
Push first. Launch attack. Backup.
Understood.
One shot, one kill.
Push na, push. Tagal lang minions.
Launch attack. The turret. Request backup.
Think you gotta listen.
Initiate retreat.
Gravitate just a
Uwi muna tayo guys. Uwi tayo. Mamamatay tayo.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Okay. Enemy double kill. Mega kill.
Patay tayo guys. Wala tayong laban guys.
Request.
Kawawa tayo guys ba?
Initiate retreat.
Patay tayo, patay.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Gather up the Lord. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sana, hindi mo naman napatay.
Your team destroyed the turret.
real fighter never runs.
Initiate retreat. The enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat. Slain.
Ano ba yan?
Double kill.
Diyos Maria.
Initiate retreat.
Talo na guys. Patay na naman.
Slain.
Retreat.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Initiate retreat.
Retreat tayo.
Initiate retreat.
Naku, may Lord pa naman. Bubuhay na tayo guys. Bubuhay na. Tapos mamamatay tayo ulit.
Under attack.
Buhay na tayo guys. Tapos mamamatay tayo ulit.
Gravitate just a real fighter never runs.
Haha, patay ko siya guys. Napatay ko. Nakapatay. At least napatay. Napatay ko yung core nila guys.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Talo na tayo nito. Push, push, push.
Push first. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Bubuhay na naman tayo guys.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Push tayo guys. Dito tayo. Pupush tayo.
One shot, one kill.
Bahala sila dyan. Ayun uy. Yung tank nagpupush. Pupunta dito yun guys mga yan.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
Bahala kayo dyan. Tara, dito tayo.
Initiate retreat.
Pinupush na nila guys.
Cubs.
An enemy has been slain.
Push na tayo guys, oh. Tapusin na natin. Takbo guys.
Real fighter never runs.
Shut down. Initiate retreat.
Basag na yung tower doon guys. Kaya lang.
Destroy the turret. Killing. Ally has been slain.
Ubus kayo lahat. Ubus.
Team
Ano ba
destroy
yan?
the turret. Push first.
Ubus. Mumu. Ubus naman kayo.
Gather up the Lord.
Gravity to some rules, Cubs.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a launch attack. Shut down. Initiate redress backup.
One shot, one kill.
Ano ba yan? Ang bagal naman.
Request backup has been slain. Double kill. Triple kill. Launch attack.
Push na, push. Push na.
Push first. Launch attack. Shut down. Mega launch attack.
Understood.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Wiped out.
Bilisan mo, Franco, takbo.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Power ka agad. Yan, panalo, yes. Nanalo. Nanalo din tayo guys, nanalo. Thank you. Epic comeback guys. GG sila guys. Nagsisihan sila guys. Talo sila. Oh, diba? Okay. Panalo guys, panalo. Ah!